National Weather
There's
Service
so
in Mount
many
Holly,
of
New
these
Jersey
today.
has issued a special marine warning for lower Delaware Bay, coastal and outer waters from Manasquan Inlet to Fenwick Island, Delaware, until 8:30 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles northwest of Luigi to 6 nautical miles west of Sea Isle City to near Capes and Lopez, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and large hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Locations impacted include Atlantic City, 5 Fathoms Buoy, Buoy 2 FB, Brown Shoal Light, Buoy 4 FB, Ship Bottom, Buoy 3 FB, Capes and Lopez, Deepwater Reef, Garden State South Reef, Great Egg Reef, Ocean City Reef, Indian River Inlet Bridge, Overfalls Shoal, The Rump, North Beach Haven, 28-mile wreck, Brigantine, Bethany Beach, and Little Egg Reef. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southern Delaware, southern New Jersey, and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Doubleheader, let's go. Again. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Mercer County in central New Jersey, southeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lawrenceville, or 7 miles northeast of Trenton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, New Brunswick, Pearl Ambler, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Ewing, Carteret, Princeton, Kingsburg, Methuen, Jamesburg, Highttown, Cranberry, Pennington, and Hopewell. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 9 and 13. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile marker 64 and 72. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 5. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 116 and 134. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central, northern, and northwestern New Jersey. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for central, northern, and northwestern New Jersey. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset. Here is the regional weather forecast.